Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna be planning January 2020. So for January opening page, we're gonna do a simple calendar page, but with the title on top. So let's get into it. Now here we'll log holidays, travels, the days we wanna remember. So starting with the New Year's Day and Martin Luther King's Day. Starting last month, I started doing monthly goals. So under the title page, I'm gonna add 3 main goals for the month for me. First one is to work out more. Second one, eat healthy. And lastly, save more money. Those will be my main goals for the month. What I've been doing lately is right after the monthly page, I would start my weeklies on the left side of the next page, and on the right side, if I want to do any listings or fun challenges, I would put them on the right side. Let's start with the week 1. As I mentioned in my previous video, I tried out many different layouts for weekly and monthly and yearly pages, and then the current layout I'm using for weekly is one from Plant-Based Bride on YouTube. I'll link her video down on the description bar where she explains what's rolling weekly and how she uses it. The rolling weekly I'm using right now is basically her version, so I took some little things out and added some little things, but I think that's what you should be doing, not just taking ideas from others but making it your own and then adjust it to your needs. So in briefly, what rolling weekly is, you'll have your weekly days on the left side, and then on the right side you'll have your task listed down, and depending on if it's a scheduled task or no, you'll have different keys to use. So you can either use the Plant-Based Bride's original keys or you can create your own keys. So for me, for example, one of my main goals, as I said, for the month is to work out more, right? So I want to make sure to schedule in all the workout sessions and every week. Ideally, I want to work out every other day. So I have 1st, 3rd, and 5th scheduled to work out. So if I worked out on that day, I will connect the first dot to the next dot. If I missed workout, I would not connect. Say I missed workout on Friday the 3rd, then I will not connect the dot to the main task. Instead, if I worked out on Sunday the 5th, I'll connect the dot, and if the task is complete, I would cross it. If the task is not complete, I would only use one dash. In this case, because I missed workout on Friday, I wouldn't note I completed all the workout sessions I planned. For example, if I'm planning on cleaning the house on Saturday ideally, if I had cleaned the house, I'll connect the Saturday schedule to the main task bullet and I'll cross it out completely. Say if there's a task you haven't been able to do, for example, going to the dentist. If you didn't have time to do it, or if you missed your appointment, say it was on Tuesday, then you would not connect the dots and then you would not cross out the main task bullet. Instead, you'll leave it, and then when the next week starts, you will move the task to the next list, and then hopefully you'll do that next week. Now, moving forward, I want to do one list on the right side. So I've been looking for different list ideas and challenges online to try out starting this month, and found this one called Diversify Your Reading Challenge. So what the challenge is asking for you to do is to find different genres of book for every month. For example, nonfiction for June, thriller for July, etc. With this list, what I will be doing throughout the year is to find a book that I like in each genre, and then I'll be recording them, starting with the title of the book, name of the author, when it was released, etc. Because the space is very small, I'll finish with my rating from 1 to 5 star, depending on how I like the book. With that, we're done planning January 2020. As the month goes on, I'll be adding more rolling weeklies on this page and continue on the next pages as needed. Our very simple and very minimal January 2020 planning is done. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Bye.